रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। बोलो अनंत बलवंत हनुमंत लाल की जय। जय श्री राम। सभी लोग आइए हमारे साथ पवन पुत्र हनुमंत लाल जी के लिए, भगवान श्री रामचंद्र के लिए let us all join and offer मंगलाचरण। श्री राम श्री राम श्री रामं कामारिसेव्यं भवभयहरणं कालमत्तेभसिंहं योगीन्द्रं ज्ञानगम्यं गुणनिधिमजितं निर्गुणं निर्विकारं मायातीतं सुरेशं खलवधनिरतं ब्रह्मवृन्दैकदेवं वन्दे कन्दावदातं सरसिजनयनं देवमुर्वीशरूपम् शङ्खेन्द्वा भमतीव सुन्दरतनुं शार्दूलचर्माम्बरं कालव्यालकरालभूषणधरं गङ्गा शशाङ्कप्रियं काशीशं कलिकल्मषोधशमनं कल्याणकल्पद्रुवं नौमीद्यं गिरिजापतिं गुणनिधिं कंदर्पहं शंकरम्। आइए हनुमंत विराजिए, कथा सुनहु इतिहास, तुम सेवक रघुनाथ के, मैं तुम चरण का दास। बोलिए सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। बोलो अनंत बलवंत हनुमंत लाल की जय। एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम।
Last week Tuesday, पिछले मंगलवार, we told you that विजय प्राप्ति के लिए Ravana had tried to perform a yajna. Bhagavan Sri Ram dispatched his best soldiers, led by Hanumant Lalji or Angad. They destroyed that yajna. The next day, when Ravana enters the battlefield, all of the remaining Rakshas soldiers, जो भी बचे थे उनकी सेना में, सब लेके आए. Until that day, you never take your entire army onto the battlefield. You always leave some soldiers in Lanka to protect the city. अगर शत्रु पीछे से हमला करेंगे तो. But on that day, Ravana called all of his soldiers and he told them, आज हम सब मिलकर के रणभूमि में जाएंगे. And today, either we will die in the battlefield or we will return victorious. So all fighting members of Lanka stand in this battlefield, seeing this army assemble, seeing this, the last division of this most powerful Sena, the Devatas start to pray to Bhagavan Sri Ram, ki hey Raghunandan, until today, others have been fighting this war. You have made a very limited appearance. Lekin aaj Bhagavan, इहा देवतन अस्तुति कीन्ही, दारुण विपति हम ही यही दीनी। श्री राम जय राम,
जय जय राम,
ओ श्री राम जय राम,
जय जय राम,
अब जय राम खेला बहुए। श्री राम जय राम,
जय जय राम,
अतिशय दुखित, अतिशय दुखित होती वे देही। श्री राम जय राम,
जय जय राम,
ओ बोलो श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। दारुण विपत्ति हम ही यही दीनी। देवेंद्र and all of the devatas say to Bhagavan Shri Ram, Daruna Vipati, this Rakshas has caused many problems, Bhagavan. इन्होंने हमको बहुत विपत्ति दिए है। और प्रभु आप तो जगदीश, सुख संपत्ति घर आवे। अब आपके द्वारा हमें सुख और संपत्ति चाहिए भगवान, इसलिए अब जनि रामु खेला वहु एही। Do not play with Ravan anymore, Bhagavan. The same way a lion plays with his prey before going for the kill. The Devatas say, Bhagavan, you have the power to kill him immediately. So Bhagavan, और संकोच मत करिए. Do not delay anymore. अतिशय दुखित होती वैदेही. अतिशय दुखित होती वैदेही. The Devatas say to Bhagavan, not only us, but Vaidehi, matlab Mata Sita Janaki ji. So much pain she is in, so much sorrow she is in at being separated from you. Bhagavan, every day that you delay is another day that she has to suffer. इसलिए भगवान देव वचन सुनी प्रभु मुस्काना. Listening to the words of Devendra and all of the Devatas, Bhagavan Shri Ram smiles. Uthi Raghubir Sudhare Bana. Uthi Raghubir Sudhare Bana. Bhagavan Shri Ram fixing his dhanush, fixing all of his arrows into his quiver. Jata Jut Drid Bande Mathe, tying his jata very tightly. Bhagavan Shri Ram enters into the battlefield. Today Bhagavan Shri Ram tells Lakshman, today he tells Hanumanji, Angad, Sugriv, Jambavan, tum sab mere piche raho. All of you stand behind me. Today I will lead our army into this battle. Tulsidas ji बहुत सुंदर वर्णन करते हैं. What does Bhagavan Shri Ram look like when he enters into this battlefield? Everybody knows that Bhagavan Shri Ram sundar nahi, ati sundar. He is one who is most handsome, most beautiful. As a child he was very handsome. When he got married, Dulha Swarup, that form was very extraordinarily handsome. Mahadev bhi darshan karke चकित हो गए. तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं, even when Bhagavan Shri Ram wears the clothing of a sage, tapasa vesh, even when he wears the clothing of a sannyasi, तब भी भगवान बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. Even then he looks most handsome. Seeing him today with this dhanush in his left hand, with his arrows in his quiver, strapped across his chest, with his long arms, Bhagavan Shri Ram strides onto the battlefield. सब लोग दर्शन करते हैं. अरुण नयन बारिद तनुषामा, श्री राम जय
राम, जय जय राम,
अखिल लोक लोचन अभिरामा.
श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम,
कटी तट परी कर कस्यो निसंगा, कर को दंड दंड कठिन सारंगा। श्री राम जय राम जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय राम। तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं अरुण नयन बारद तनु श्यामा। भगवान श्री राम अरुण नयन बारद तनु श्यामा, one who is very dark in complexion. He looks like when the rain clouds are about to burst with water. Shantakaram bhujagshayanam megh varnam shubhangam. Tulsidas ji कहते हैं when they look into the beautiful eyes of Bhagavan Sri Ram, all of the soldiers of Sugriv, they feel courage rushing into their hearts as they see Raghunandan striding in front of them. Katitat padikar kasyo nisanga karko dand kathin saranga. The dhanush that Bhagavan Sri Ram carries is called saranga. Holding this dhanush, he strides forth to meet Ravana, who is standing at the head of his army. Bhagavan Sri Ram, as he is standing in the middle of this battlefield, all of a sudden from the heavens, flowers start to fall on the path that Bhagavan Sri Ram is walking. Akash mein khade ho karke jitne devata, all of the devatas, Mahapurush, Siddha Muni, all of them start to sing the praise of Bhagavan Sri Ram. Sarang kar sundar nisang shili mukha kar kati kasyo bhuj dand peen manoharayat urdhara surpad lasyo. तुलसीदास जी वर्णन करते हैं कहदास तुलसी जब ही प्रभु सर चाप कर फेरन लगे ब्रह्मांड दिग्गज कमट अहि मही सिंधु भूधर दग मही सिंधु भूधर दग मही। एक बार प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। As Bhagavan Sri Ram walks onto the battlefield, कहदास तुलसी जब ही प्रभु सर चाप कर फेरने लगे. Everyone takes darshan of Bhagavan Sri Ram. The saints and sages see him as a Mahayogi. The devatas, the kshatriyas, the soldiers see him as a Param Kshatri. Lakshman Bhaiya, he sees him as Vaikuntapati, Lakshmipati, Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Hanumant Lalji, he sees him only as Bhagavan Shri Ramachandra. Sab alag alag darshan karte hain. As Bhagavan Shri Ram twirls this dhanush in his hands and he takes an arrow and fits it to this dhanush, a thrill runs through everyone's body as they have been so excitingly waited for Bhagavan Sri Ram to finally make war with Ravan. Shobha dekhi harshe sure barshi suman apar jai 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 karuna nidhi chabi bale gune aga. Raining flowers down onto Bhagavan Sri Ram. Jai 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 Karuna Nidhi Chabhi Bale Gune Aga. The devatas say to Bhagavan Sri Ram, Hey Prabhu, Aapki Jai Ho, Aapki Jai Ho, Aapki Jai Ho. Hey Karuna Nidhi, Aaj hamare upar Karuna barsaiye. Have mercy on us. Spare us the pain that this Rakshas has brought to us. लेकिन उसके ऊपर बिल्कुल karuna mat barsaiye. Have no compassion today for this Rakshas known as Ravan. Hey Bhagavan, chabi bal gun agar. One who is the storehouse of beauty, strength and perfection. Hey Maryada Purushottam. Hey Anant Balavant Bhagavant Prabhu. Hey Bhagavan Shri Ram. Today the fate of the universe rests in your hands. Bolo Siyavar Ramachandra Bhagavan ki jai. Ravana, when he sees Bhagavan Shri Ram standing on the ground, he turns to his army and he tells them only one word, Akraman. In one motion, all of these Rakshas forces, immediately they rush towards Bhagavan Shri Ram. I told you before, sabse aage hamare Raghunandan hai. The entire army stands behind him. हनुमान जी भी पीछे खड़े हैं, सब लोग तो भगवान के पीछे ही खड़े हैं. This is not a very smart military strategy to put your commander-in-chief at the very front of the army. But we are speaking about Bhagavan Shri Ram. वो अकेला सर्व समर्थ है इस पूरा राक्षस सेना को समाप्त करने के लिए. Today Bhagavan Shri Ram, he decides to show his prabhav. दुनिया तो अलग अलग भजन गाते हैं, स्तुति गाते कि प्रभु की स्वभाव देखो, लेकिन कभी कभी दुष्टों को स्वभाव नहीं प्रभाव दिखाना बहुत जरूरी पड़ता है. भगवान श्री राम says these forces of adharm, today it is time to show them, today it is time to show them the power that we have. लोग जब धीरे से नहीं समझते हैं, when people don't understand, when you tell them something, you have to tell them with a little bit more force. बचपन में, how many of you used to get licks when you were small? हरिओम भाई, माताजी पिताजी से आप पिटाई कभी खाए? बहुत खाए होंगे. मनदीप जी तो हंस रहे, कभी नहीं खाए होंगे. I know Kapil got a lot of licks. इसलिए इतने बढ़िया तबला ढोलक बजाता है. He remembers the licks he used to get when he was small और पूरा गुस्सा ढोलक पर निकालते हैं. But there is a saying in English, spare the rod, spoil the child. Many people will tell you these days, no, you can't hit children. It has a negative effect on their psychology. लेकिन बच्चे फिर उद्दंड हो जाते हैं. When there is no anushasan in their life, when there is no discipline in their life, the mother and father must know how to lightly give them a little tap so that they will learn. तो भगवान श्री राम ये जगत के पिता है. और एक बार नहीं अनेक बार रावण को समझाने के प्रयास किया. He tried many times to explain to Ravan. Even the minister of Ravan tried to explain to him. Even his brother Vibhishan, Mandodari, his wife. अरे भैया जो पत्नी की नहीं सुनते हैं तो किसकी सुनेंगे? He is not listening to anyone. भगवान ने अंगद को भेजे, हनुमान जी को भेजे हैं. Everyone tried to tell Ravan to do the right thing. Still he is doing the wrong thing. Bhagavan Shri Ram says those who don't listen, they have to feel. Today you are going to feel the pain and you are going to understand the consequences of your action. Bhagavan Shri Ram, as this Rakshas Sena rushes towards him, he fits one arrow into his dhanush. Lagat baan veer chikrai. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Rama. Ghurmi ghurmi jahata mahi parai. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Rama. Raghupati ko pibaan jari lai. Shri Ram Jai Ram घायल भाई निशिचर समुदाय. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. बोलो श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. बोलो सियावर सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की लागत बान बीर चिक रही। भगवान श्री राम लेट्स लूस not thousands, not tens of thousands. तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं लाखों बाण चलाए। He fires hundreds of thousands of arrows, and the soldiers of Ravana, they fall like flies flying into a fire. As they fall in front of Ravana, hundreds of thousands dropping to the ground. Tulsidas ji कहते हैं there was a river of blood flowing between these two armies. ऐसे लगता है the two armies are the two banks, and there was a river of blood flowing between them. Raghunath akele, alone, he fires these weapons, the weapons that Vishwamitra ji had given to him with so much respect and love, and he sets the army of Ravan on fire. Bandhuo, when the children behave very badly, तो कभी-कभी माँ कहते अब तुम्हारे बाप को बताऊंगी. Now I'm going to tell your father, he is going to discipline you. बच्चे हमेशा पिता से डरते हैं और माँ को बहुत स्नेह करते, बहुत प्यार करते हैं. तो भगवान श्री राम एक बार हमारे रघुनंदन ने देखे हैं कि जयंत, the son of Indra, came and he hurt माता सीता. खून भी निकल गया, even blood had come out of her feet. And भगवान श्री राम was about to kill Jayant. और माँ ने कहा, प्रभु मैं जगत जननी हूँ, I am the mother of this entire universe. ये भी मेरा बच्चे है, he is also like my son, do not kill him. तो भगवान श्री राम thought to himself, ये क्या बात हो गई? परित्राणाय साधूनाम विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम. I have come to destroy the evil forces on पृथ्वी लोक, but ऐसे लगता है कि जब तक जानकी जी मेरे साथ है, as long as Sita ji is with me, she is too compassionate. She will prevent me from killing all of these Rakshas forces. तो भगवान ने कहा, सीते आप एक काम करिए, आप अग्नि में छिप जाइएगा. You go and take निवास in अग्निदेव, और एक छाया सीता निकलेगी. And this shadow Sita, allow her to be kidnapped by Ravan. आप एक दो कुछ समय के लिए just stay in this निवास. Allow me to finish my leela. As soon as Mata Sita will make this exchange, तो भगवान श्री राम, he spares no Rakshas. बाली को भी नहीं छोड़े. Think to yourself, जयंत का बहुत बड़ा अपराध था. बाली ने क्या किया बेचारे? वो तो आपस में दोनों भाई की लड़ाई है. Still भगवान श्री राम killed him without any hesitation. What should you learn from this example, devotees? भगवान श्री राम को हम बार बार करुणा निधि, करुणा निधान, कृपा निधान कहते हैं. जय 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 करुणा निधि, जय 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 करुणा निधि. लेकिन वही भगवान श्री राम, अगर उनका मूड खराब हो गया, if you test him and you cross the limits of dharma or adharma, so the same karuna nidhan, the same kripa nidhan will have no mercy left to give to you. Without any compassion, Bhagavan Shri Ram slaughters the armies of Ravan. One by one they drop to the ground. Tulsidas ji कहते, काक कंक ले भुजा उड़ाई. Many different crows and vultures came onto that battlefield and took away different pieces of their bodies. They had a feast that day. There were so many hundreds of thousands of Rakshas Sarir laying all across the ground. All of the vultures came and had a feast as Bhagavan Shri Ram continues to fire missile after missile. एक अस्त्र के बाद दूसरा अस्त्र चलाते हैं, दूसरा शस्त्र चलाते हैं, तीसरा बाण छोड़ देते हैं. Ravana watches his army fall to pieces. तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं, बोलहि जो जय जय मुंदरुंद प्रचंड सिर बिनु धावहि. कपड़ी खड्गद अलूज जूझहि सुबट बटन दरावहि. सुबट बटन दरावहि. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम. प्रेम से गाओ. ओ बानर निशाचर निकर मर जहि राम बल दर्पित भये. संग्राम अंगन सुबट सोवै राम सरन करनी है, राम सरन करनी है। श्री राम जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय 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 जय राम। As the entire army of Ravan is wiped out in one day, devotees, all of the soldiers of Sugriv, बोलहि जो जय जय मुंद रुंद प्रचंड सिर बिनु धावहि। तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं, seeing the heads of these Rakshas forces rolling on the ground, all of the soldiers of Sugriv, हर कपि भालू सब एक आवाज में बोलने लगे जय श्री राम। आप लोग भी एक बार बोलिए जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम,
जय श्री राम।
तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं, रावण हृदय विचारा भा निशिचर संघार, मैं अकेला कपि भालू बहु माया करहूं अपार, माया करहूं अपार। रावण कहते हैं, मैं अकेला कपि भालू बहु माया करहूं अपार। नाउ आई एम ऑल अलोन। पाप के मार्ग पे बंधुओं एक दिन अकेले पड़ जाओगे। ऑन द पाथ ऑफ सिन, अल्टीमेटली वन डे बिफोर भगवान श्री विष्णु, बिफोर श्री हरि, श्रीमन नारायण डिस्ट्रॉयज यू, सबसे पहले आपसे सब कुछ छीन लेते हैं। हाउ डू यू नो दैट समबडी इज ऑन द पाथ ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन? लक्षण बताऊं? When somebody is committing many sins in their life, तो सबसे पहले हमारे लक्ष्मीपति भगवान लक्ष्मी जी को आदेश देते हैं, उसको छोड़ दो। लक्ष्मी माता leaves that person, दरिद्र हो जाते हो, you become impoverished। उसके बाद भगवान श्री राम, the same way he sent हनुमान जी and Anga to destroy the यज्ञ of Ravan, लक्ष्मी जी जब जाती है तो अलग अलग प्रकार की विघ्न, different kinds of obstacles come and prevent you from praying to Bhagavan. उसके बाद, the same way that Ravana lost all of his sons, Akshay Kumar मर गया, Meghnad मर गया, all of his sons dying one by one, now his entire army is dead. श्री हरि, हरि का मतलब जो हरण कर लेते हैं। अगर आप भक्त हो, if you are devotee, तो श्री हरि आपका दुख, समस्या, पीड़ा और कष्ट को हरण करते हैं। He removes all difficulties from your life. He removes all problems from your life. लेकिन जब आप दुष्ट हो, जब आप राक्षस हो, when you are like Ravan, तो भगवान श्री राम, he takes everyone from you. He took Ravana's family. He took Ravana's army. And now he is about to take his life. Ravana looks around and he realizes that मैं अकेला कपि भालू, I am alone and I am facing this army of कपि भालू, एक भी राक्षस मेरे साथ नहीं है, all of them have died, बहु माया करऊ अपार। In this moment, Ravana thinks to himself, now I must use all of the most sophisticated weapons that I have. मैं माया को प्रयोग करके, using this माया, I will defeat Shri Ram. ऐसे विचार करके, बंधुओं, it is not an easy thing to be alone. Everybody knows this feeling. When you come to Canada for the first time, तो परिवार और घर को छोड़ करके, त्याग करके, बहुत लोग, many people come to Canada and leave everything behind. सर्वस्व त्याग करके आप यहाँ आते हैं, but still when you come, you bring with you your श्रद्धा और विश्वास. You bring with you that faith in Satya Sanatan Dharma. You bring with you that trust कि ठाकुर जी संभालेंगे, भगवान श्री राम संभालेंगे, महादेव, he will not allow me to fail. maybe I will struggle in this country, maybe things will be difficult, but at some point when those difficulties finish, भगवान मुझे सफलता दे देंगे. He will give me success and he will give me happiness. सुख संपत्ति घर आवे, कष्ट मिटे तन का. Removing my difficulties, he will give me happiness and prosperity. ये विश्वास है सबको. भगवान के ऊपर विश्वास करो. रावण भगवान के ऊपर नहीं, रावण माया के ऊपर विश्वास करो. लेकिन रावण ये नहीं जानता है कि भगवान श्री राम साक्षात मायापति है. He is the one who controls Maya. He is the one who can delude you, and he is the one who can free you from delusion. बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. As Ravana starts to move his chariot going towards Bhagavan Shri Ram, to Devendra thought to himself, what a useless devata I am. Bhagavan Shri Ram is sitting in Prithvi Lok. He is fighting the war on my behalf. मैंने भगवान को कुछ नहीं दिया. I have not given him anything. Seeing Ravana advancing towards Bhagavan Shri Ram, देवेंद्र ने मन में विचार किया, चलिए जो मेरा रथ है, the chariot that I use when I go to war, let me give that chariot to Bhagavan Shri Ram. अगले मंगलवार बंधुओं, I will tell you of the first battle between Bhagavan Shri Ram, as Devendra will give him this beautiful and powerful chariot to Bhagavan Shri Ram. Using this chariot, how he will engage with Lanka Pati Ravan. Bolo Siyavar Ramachandra Bhagavan ki jai. एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए, अनंत बलवंत हनुमंत लाल की जय. How many of you know that in the month of Jeshta Mas में, the Mangalvars, the Tuesdays in this month are very special to Pavanaputra Hanumanji. Many of you know this. Many of you come every Mangalvar. आपके लिए तो हर मंगलवार विशेष है. तो चलिए कथा को विश्राम देने के लिए let us join and sing one bhajan to Pavanaputra Hanumanji before we go for आरती. बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की. 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 केसरी नंदन बलिदारी की. ओ मारुति नंदन उपकारी की. मारुति नंदन उपकारी की. आओ करे सेवाज पवन सुत महाबली की. बोलो जय श्री राम. जय श्री राम. काशी विश्वनाथ में there is a very special मंदिर called संकट मोचन मंदिर, and in this मंदिर हनुमान जी ने तुलसीदास जी को दर्शन दिए. और इस मंदिर में साधारण मूर्ति नहीं, there is a सिंदूर हनुमान जी मूर्ति. उस मूर्ति को देख करके मैंने पिताजी को बोल दिया, हमारे त्रिवेणी मंदिर में भी एक सिंदूर हनुमान जी रखना है, and he will be called संकट मोचन. और आज संकट मोचन हनुमान जी के प्रभाव देखिए. Nobody sits here through हनुमान चालीसा, और अंदर वाले हनुमान जी बहुत सुंदर है. सब संकट मोचन हनुमंत जी के सामने बैठ के चालीसा गाते हैं. कोई सिंदूर चढ़ाते हैं, कोई तेल चढ़ाते हैं. आप तेल मत चढ़ाओ, सिंदूर लगाओ, तेल मत चढ़ाओ. हनुमान जी को बहुत अलग अलग संकल्प सुनाते हैं. आइए मिल करके. संकट मोचन नाम जो ध्यावे, संकट मोचन ओ संकट मोचन नाम जो ध्यावे, ओ संकट उसके पास न आवे, महिमा गाए दिन रात पवन सुत महाबली की। बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली, ओ बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की। बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली, ओ पवन सुत महाबली की। पवन सुत महाबली की। बोलिए अनंत बलवंत हनुमंत लाल की जय। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। एक बार और प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री राम। जय श्री राम। We want to say thank you to our Yajman this evening, Vishal Bhaiya, Vishal Bhavasar.